Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Step into my little sanctuary, where the radiant Kanchan flowers bow their heads in a gentle greeting, their ethereal beauty setting a graceful tone for this hidden haven. Tucked away from the restless rush of the world, this is where I find my soul's true silence. Just listen to the soft rhythmic whisper of the breeze dancing through the leaves. It is as if the garden itself is inhaling and exhaling, inviting you to slow down and simply breathe. My garden is a slow, fragrant dance of memories. The delicate bell and dew share their secret sweet perfumes upon the air, while the evening sky is often painted by the elegant moon-bright scent of the Rajnigandha. And how could I ever forget the Suli? When those tiny, fragrant stars bloom, it feels as if the very soul of the morning has descended to earth to grace the grass. There is one spot that feels touched by magic, the path where the Suli and the Togor branches reach out to meet, weaving together in a leafy embrace that creates a beauty beyond words. Beyond them there is a quiet noble sophistication in the Raj Togor and the Oporajita. Whether in pristine white or the deep mystical blue of the twilight sky, they climb toward the light, adding a touch of enchantment to every corner they touch. The garden is a treasury of endless surprises. The graceful trailing Madhabilota brings a poetic charm to the trellis, while the unique bell-shaped Dhutra hangs like a silent mysterious secret. And the bougainvillea is a wild burning riot of color, a bold and confident splash of crimson that reminds me of the hidden strength found in nature's own palette. But this garden is not merely a feast for the eyes, it is a living, generous source of nourishment. My papaya and mango trees stand as sturdy sentinels, promising sweet sun-kissed rewards, while the jamun, the zesty batabilebu and the humble, thriving vines of eggplant and lauki remind me of the deep, earthy beauty of growing what you eat. It is not just a collection of plants, it is a living, breathing companion that grows alongside me. Whether I am tending to them in the tender light of dawn or watching them surrender to the velvet shadows of the fading sun, this garden keeps me rooted and whole. Finally, at the heart of this sanctuary stands the sacred tulsi. More than just a plant, it is a living altar of purity and grace. It cleanses the very air we breathe and offers a bounty of healing virtues, acting as a shield of wellness for my home and soul. In the sweet quiet of the day, there is truly nowhere else I would rather be. Thank you for taking this moment to wander through this small, cherished piece of my world with me.